Restoring vintage watch crystals is key to keeping these special timepieces looking great. Vintage watches tell more than time, they tell stories. But scratches on the crystal can ruin their beauty. These marks build up over time, making watches look old and dull. Good news. Polywatch offers a simple fix. This polish removes scratches from acrylic crystals without needing replacements. Watch as we show you how to make your old watches shine like new again. Today we're fixing a Rolex Datejust from my collection, a classic luxury watch. This beauty has a sleek steel case and acrylic crystal that gives it vintage charm. After almost 40 years, this Datejust has picked up scratches on its crystal, a common problem with the older watches. Look closely. See how these scratches affect the watch's looks. Before we start, we need to check how deep the scratches are. This helps us know if Polywatch alone will work or if we need to do more. This step is important to keep the watch's value while making it look better. Polywatch is made just for fixing acrylic crystals, perfect for vintage watches like the Rolex Datejust. Unlike other crystals, acrylic needs special care, and Polywatch is designed for this job, removing scratches safely. Here's what you need: Polywatch polish, a soft cloth, and a clean workspace. Put a small dot of Polywatch on the scratched area. Using your cloth, rub in small circles for about a minute. Then wipe away any extra polish. Small scratches often disappear, but deeper ones might need more work. Be careful not to polish too hard, as this can damage the crystal. For best results, follow these steps. First, gather your Polywatch, a good cloth, and find good lighting. Put a tiny drop of Polywatch right on the worst scratches of your Datejust crystal. Wrap your cloth around your finger and rub in small circles. Press gently for about 30 seconds. You'll feel it working. Wipe it clean and check your progress. See the difference? For deeper scratches, add more Polywatch and repeat, pressing a bit harder for a full minute. The key is to work slowly and check often. Keep going until the crystal looks clear again. The results on our Rolex Datejust are amazing. Before, the crystal was cloudy with many scratches. After using Polywatch, most surface scratches are gone and the watch looks much clearer. While a few deep scratches remain, showing the watch's history, the overall look is much better. The dial now looks sharper, and the crystal is almost like new. The feel has improved too. Where once your finger would catch on rough spots, now it feels smooth. This fix has made the watch look better and feel better too. The Rolex Datejust now shows off the quality that made it famous. In summary, we've shown how Polywatch can fix vintage watch crystals, focusing on the Rolex Datejust from my collection. This polish greatly improves acrylic crystals, helping old watches look new again with little effort or cost. Want to fix your own watches? Follow our steps for great results that will impress other watch fans. If you like this video, hit subscribe to join our watch community. Your support helps us make more guides like this. Tell us about your watch projects in the comments and share your before and after photos. Check out our other videos for more watch care tips. Until next time, keep those watches ticking and crystals clear.